Okay, I thought I'd do a quick little video. We're back on Nick's lawn. It's Monday, after Mother's Day. So it's 31st of March. So we've got a video coming out Thursday of all this work we did at Nick's. We done all the spring maintenance and we put some silica sand in some dips and stuff. So yeah, need to get some seaweed out because we've got all the seed out there. So this video's out of place, but like and subscribe and you'll see the video out on Thursday, hopefully. So we're going to put some multi-mite seaweed. Okay, so we got the just the multi-mite liquid seaweed. We're going to put that in the sprayer and we're going to get it out over the lawn because, believe it or not, it looks nice. But we terrorised that Saturday. We really did give it a good hammering. So yeah, we'll just get the seaweed on over the seeds. Needs a bit of moisture anyway, so what better way to do it? I'll show you at the front quickly, have a quick look at that. Okay, so that's the child's play out the back, Boston Seeds child play, and out the front we've got the Premier lawn, which has a lot of repairs. So, as you can see, silica sand on that trench, you'll see that in the video. But it's not looking too bad considering what we did to it. Let's take you over that. So that's current state of play, some power in there, but we really did give this a hard time on Saturday. And over there, silica sand. Yeah. So from drain to drain we had a problem over there, but it's not looking too bad. We get that power, we're not going to worry about that. But we even did, because Nick is proper obsessive, we did the verge as well because he wanted a Boston Seeds Premier out on the verge. So that was done. So let's get the feed on, well, the seaweed over the seeds, because it needs to get going, needs to get it activated, and off we go. So might even stick the drone up in the air, see how well that sprays. So let's get the seaweed on. Right, so that's all sprayed, nice dose of seaweed, can't go wrong with that. So changed it over to brown nozzles and got it down. It is literally glistening out there. I took the drone over the grass, so I'll show you that. It's incredible really, because we gave this a hard time Saturday, so we're in good shape. Video coming out Thursday if my son does his job right. So we've done the same to the front. We've given it a good dose of seaweed, and we went heavy on it because we're giving it a water as well, because it hadn't been watered since we done it Saturday. Naughty Nick. Nick does a fantastic job here. Give him a like, a shout out in the comments, and we'll see you soon at the next lawn. Well, we'll be back here in about 3 weeks, 4 weeks to show you just how beautiful that is. It's looking good now, let's be honest. I'm really happy with it. So we'll see you soon, and please like and subscribe. Take care.